Nokia is a very old and great smartphone manufacturing company. If you are looking for a great 5G smartphone in budget, then Nokia is going to launch a great smartphone for you. In this great smartphone you will get to see a 144 megapixel DSLR camera. So if you also want to buy a smartphone like iPhone, at a low price, then you must know about Nokia's Zero Ultra Pro Max 5G smartphone. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Zero Ultra Pro Max 5G. Talking about the features of the mobile, you will get to see a stunning 6.95 inches Super AMOLED display with 2K resolution inside this smartphone, whose resolution is going to be 120 Hz, with which IP69 rating is going to be available. Apart from this, in-display fingerprint sensor will also be seen in it. Camera quality. Talking about the camera quality of the mobile, you will get to see the setup of quad camera inside this great smartphone, whose main camera is 144 megapixels. Inside it can be seen a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 16 megapixel micro camera, and a 5 megapixel wide camera. Talking about the selfie camera of the mobile, you are expected to get a 50 megapixel selfie camera in it. Performance. Apart from this, you will get to see Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 5G chipset in this great smartphone. If we talk about the operating system of the mobile, then Android 15 operating system will be seen in it. Battery backup. Talking about battery backup, you will get to see a powerful battery of 6000 mAh inside this great smartphone. And to charge it, you will get to see 65-watt super fast charging. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of the mobile, then you will get to see this smartphone around $400. And this mobile is expected to be launched early next year.